Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. In a major incident on Monday night, 4 sanitation workers died of suffocation while cleaning a septic tank in Jaipur's Sitapur industrial area. The workers were sent into the tank to recover gold and silver particles trapped in the sludge. 2 others remain critical ill and are undergoing treatment at Mahatma Gandhi Hospital, while 2 more have been discharged after primary care. The incident occurred at around 8:30 p.m. in the G Block jewelry zone under Sanganer Sadar police jurisdiction. The 10-foot deep septic tank belongs to Achal Jewels Private Limited, where the cleaning operation was underway. Initially, sanitization workers refused to enter the tank due to intense heat and fear of toxic gases inside. However, company officials reportedly convinced them with promises of additional monetary benefits beyond their regular wages. One by one, 8 workers entered the tank to clean the sludge. Soon after, the first worker succumbed to toxic gas and lost consciousness. Attempts by others to rescue them led to a similar fate. The 4 deceased, Rohit Pal, Sanjeev Pal, Himanshu Singh and Arpit Yadav, were residents of Sultanpur and Ambedkar Nagar districts in Uttar Pradesh. Upon receiving information, the Sanganer Sadar police and hospital teams rushed to the site. 4 workers were declared dead at Mahatma Gandhi Hospital, while 2 critically injured workers, Ajay Chauhan and Rajpal, were admitted to RUHS Hospital. 2 others were discharged after initial treatment. Senior officials including ADM South, SDM Sanganagar and Sanganagar Tehsildar arrived at the scene, and the forensic science laboratory team has been called in for further investigation. The specific toxic gas responsible for the tragedy is yet to be identified. Achal Jewels is operated by Arun Kumar Kathori from Bapu Nagar, Jaipur, with CEO Vikas Mehta overseeing jewelry exports. The deceased and injured workers have been employed through contractor Mukesh Pal since 2023, with Mukesh's brother also among the deceased. All workers resided in Govardhan Nagar, Sitapur. The toxic environment inside the tank is linked to accumulation of gold and silver particles in the sludge. Jewelry manufacturer processes like cutting and stone setting cause precious metal dust to fall into the chemical-laden waterfall. Smaller artisans often collect this water in septic tanks to recover gold and silver residue from the sludge. Achal Jewels' older factory has an above-ground septic tank, but with the expansion last year, a larger underground tank was constructed. This tank holds chemical contaminated wastewater mixed with solid waste, requiring periodic cleaning to reclaim precious metals. However, the small tank entry and hazardous chemical presence pose a grave risk to workers. Reports suggest workers initially refused entry due to the heat and toxic fumes, but were coerced by promises of extra pay. The operation began around 8 p.m. when Amit and Rohit first entered and quickly felt dizzy, calling for help. Sanjeev, Mukesh and 6 others followed or falling unconscious and later hospitalized or declared dead. Sanganagar Sadar police has registered a case, and after investigation, the circumstances leading to the deadly incident. The tragedy highlighted severe lapse in occupational safety and the need for stricter enforcement of hazardous work protocol in industrial units, especially those handling toxic substances and confined spaces.
उसने मर्ग की एफआईआर दी है इंक्वेस्ट के लिए, जिसकी जांच की जाएगी।
और आपको कब रिपोर्ट मिली?
आज रिपोर्ट मिली है सर।
आज मिली है। तो रात को कितने बजे पहुंच गए थे? घटनाक्रम कब हुआ था?
एसएचओ साहब ने बता दिया ना, शिकायत को मृतक के भाई ने दर्ज करवाई है, तो जैसी रिपोर्ट दी उस पर हम जांच कर रहे हैं।
तो सर सेप्टिक टैंक में मौत का मामला क्या है?
हाँ, जैसी घटना हुई उसके परिवार जिन्होंने एफआईआर दी है, उसकी मर्ग एफआईआर दर्ज की है, उस पर हम अनुसंधान कर रहे हैं।
That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.